Hello friends, Karthik is back with the new fresh tutorials. So let's start learning. So friends, today we are going to create Impex from scratch. So basically this tutorial is the introduction for creating Impex. So let's start. So Impex stands for import and export. Impex is the out of the box functionality provided by Hybris. It is used for importing data from CSV file, Impex file to Hybris system and exporting from Hybris system to CSV file. So Impex is an extension which is brought up by Hybris. This extension can be found inside platform/ext folder, which helps in inserting, updating, deleting and exporting data. Why do we need to import? As data is the very crucial and important part in any application, there might be chances to insert, update, remove or delete data for bulk records. In that case, we can go for Impex. It is very helpful and easy way to do so. Impex run in pass-wise fashion. That means first pass, second pass, third pass and so on. So whatever is left in the first pass, it will try to complete in second pass, and whatever left in second pass, it will try to complete in third and so on. In case any error comes in data, it will not import that particular data and rest data will get imported. We can insert data either at the runtime or during initialization or update process. So here are a few Impex jargons, that is header, value lines, macros, comments. So we will go one by one for each jargons. So first we are seeing header. So header in Impex will have below structure. So first it will be having mode, item type, inside that modifier equal to value, attribute 1, modifier equal to value, attribute 2, modifier equal to value and so on. We will see what each one are. We can see below things in header. First is mode. So mode is the operations like insert, update, remove. So we have basically 4 type of mode types possible in header: insert, update, insert underscore update or remove. So insert, for inserting a new record into database. If the record already exists, it will throw an exception if we use normal insert. Update, for updating the existing record. If the record does not exist, then exception will be thrown. Next, insert underscore update. Most preferred one for insertion or update. This will overcome the above two method modes drawback. It will insert the record if it's new one or update the record if it is already exist. Whereas in insert mode we have seen if the record already exists, it will throw exception, and in the update, if the record does not exist, then exception will be thrown. So which is overcome by insert underscore update mode. So next is remove. This mode is used to remove the existing records. A unique attribute must be specified to remove the record. So remove we will be using when we want to remove any record from the database. So we have to give at least one unique attribute. Next is type. It specifies the item type on which the mode is applied. Example, product, category, customer, etc. Basically, it impacts the table associated with this type. Attributes. It defines the attributes of the item type which are defined in items.xml file. Each attribute specified will get the values affected on corresponding columns in database. Next is modifier. So it is used to specify the additional information for the attributes, like specifying attribute uniqueness using unique equal to true. We can specify multiple modifiers in two ways: comma separated modifiers within single bracket as below, like this. Single bracket has all the modifiers separated by comma. Second type, each modifier with separate bracket as below, like this. Attribute modifier 1 equal to value, then bracket close and bracket start for another modifier 2 equal to value, like this, and so on. Separate bracket for each modifiers. So here is an example. You can see insert underscore update category code name dollar super category, that is a macro. We'll see it further. Dollar thumbnail description. These are all our attribute, and inside this unique equal to true, language equal to DE, language equal to EN, language equal to DE. These all are modifiers. So in the above header line, insert underscore update is the mode, category is the item type, code name etc. are the attributes, unique equal to true is the modifier. So here is a note. This header is applicable for all the value lines till the next header appears in the file. One file can have any number of headers. Second, value lines in Impex. There could be one or more value lines in the file. Each value line represents one row of data in table. Each field in the value line is separated by a semicolon and represents the data into one column. So we will see example. Field 1, field 2, field 3. So space is also considered as value of the field. So each line should have the same number of fields. If field contains any line breaks or quotes, then ensure such fields in double quotes. It is enclose such fields in double quotes. Next is macros, which we have seen in previous one, like this. So macros are basically used to define the value at one place and use the macro in all the places. It helps to eliminate writing same lines again and again. Macros start with dollar symbol and they are referenced by dollar of macro name. Example, so dollar of catalog equal to catalog ID. Defined a macro called catalog and can be referenced as dollar of catalog wherever required. So here is catalog version. Dollar of catalog version equal to catalog version. Inside that we have given dollar of catalog version, catalog comma version. Defined a macro called catalog version and can be referenced as $of catalog version wherever required. So insert space product semicolon code semicolon $of catalog version. So now the macros $of catalog version and catalog $of catalog are replaced by their actual values as below. Catalog version, inside that catalog ID and version. If we don't use macros, then we have to write above lines in all the places wherever required. These lines. So it will be replaced by the values. So next is comments. Comments in Impex file starts with hash symbol. Example we can see hash inserting product details. So this comment will be ignored by the system. This is just for knowledge purpose or information purpose what this Impex does. So you can see insert underscore update space product is item type. This all are attributes. Unique equal to true, language, these all are modifiers. So in the above lines we have one comment. Line starts with hash symbol which will be ignored while importing. So this ends the tutorial for Impex introduction. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you then. Bye bye.